Namaste, Swagatam, a warm welcome to all the participants of Lalita Sahasranama Stotram chanting session. Once again, Swagatam and Namaskarams. We will start as usual. We will start with the Mangalam to the Jagat Guru, then the Dhyana Shloka of Lalita Sahasranama, and then we will chant the first verse. And I will first I will teach, after the first verse, I will teach the new verses. And then we will do a revision from 50 to 75 for practicing for the test. So I'll start with the Mangalam to the Jagat Guru. गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो. Let us visualize the form of Lalita Parameshwari before we chant the Dhyana Shlokam. सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम् सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्. ॐ श्रीमाता श्रीमहाराज्ञी श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूता देवकार्यसमुद्यता. We'll go to the new verses directly today. I request the panelists to repeat twice once I chant. Dashamudra Samaradhya
Dashamudra Samaradhya Dashamudra Samaradhya
Tripura Shrivashankari
Tripura Shrivashankari Tripura Shrivashankari
Dashamudra Samaradhya
Dashamudra Samaradhya Dashamudra Samaradhya
Tripura Shrivashankari
Tripura Shrivashankari Tripura Shrivashankari
Jnanamudra
Jnanamudra Jnanamudra
Jnanagamya
Jnanagamya Jnanagamya
Jnanagnyeyasya
ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी
दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी
दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी
ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी
ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी
दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी
दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी
उत्तमम् योनिमुद्रा
योनिमुद्रा योनिमुद्रा
त्रिखण्डेशी
त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिखण्डेशी
त्रिगुणाम्बा
त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिगुणाम्बा
त्रिकोणगा
त्रिकोणगा त्रिकोणगा
योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी
योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी
त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा
त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा
योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा
योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा
अनघाद्भुत
अनघाद्भुत अनघाद्भुत
चारित्रा
चारित्रा चारित्रा
अनघाद्भुत चारित्रा
अनघाद्भुत चारित्रा अनघाद्भुत चारित्रा
वाञ्छितार्थ
वाञ्छितार्थ वाञ्छितार्थ
प्रदायिनी
प्रदायिनी प्रदायिनी
वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी
वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी
अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी
अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी
योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी
योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी
उत्तमम् इषु अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता
अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता
षडध्वातीतरूपिणी
षडध्वातीतरूपिणी षडध्वातीतरूपिणी
अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता षडध्वातीतरूपिणी इषु
अतीतरूपिणी अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता षडध्वातीतरूपिणी
अव्याज
अव्याज अव्याज
करुणामूर्तिः
करुणामूर्तिः करुणामूर्तिः
अज्ञान
अज्ञान अज्ञान
अज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका
अज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका अज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका
अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिरज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका
अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिरज्ञान अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिरज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिरज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका
Uttama. Actually, in this second line, Avyaja Karunamurtihi one, and then Ajnana Dhvanta Deepika, two words, two names are there. So, but we have to chant this together. Abhyasatishayajnata षडध्वातीतरूपिणी अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिरज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका
अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता षडध्वातीतरूपिणी अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिरज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता षडध्वातीतरूपिणी अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिरज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका
आबालगोपविदिता
आबालगोपविदिता आबालगोपविदिता
सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना
सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना
आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना
आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना
श्रीचक्रराजनिलया
श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीचक्रराजनिलया
श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी
श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी
श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी
श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी
आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी
आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी
Uttamam. So we will stop at this. We will have one more verse to complete, which I intend to teach in the next class, and we will be completing the learning part. I would like to keep that in the next class because it's being a Navaratri. Let us do our last shloka learning during the Navaratri and Samarpanam to Devi. As I had indicated in the last class, a mail you all might have received a mail with a form to register for the Guru Samarpanam assessment, wherein you can opt. It's mandatory. It was optional, as a to chant, that is Parayanam, or for Kanthasthikaranam, for by memory without seeing the script or the book. So many of you have responded to that. If few of you have missed it due to some reason, please mail me separately so that I will have the form sent to you separately. So you can mail to me on my email ID. As I mentioned in the last class, I request all of you to register to opt for that chanting, because it is not from just an evaluation or assessment, though it is called like that. At least I consider it as more as a Guru Samarpanam to our Jagat Gurus, and on that day, whoever is going to come for the assessment learned people who have done sadhana in the Lalita Sahasranama, Sahasranama Parayanam and in this Marka. So it will be a Samarpanam to the Gurus, and there might be a lot of learning for us by chanting in front of those people, those learned people. Now, what I'll do is, because we are calling for an assessment and we have completed till 182nd verse, today I would like to want all the participants to raise their hands for practicing the chanting. And the next class, along with the learning of the last verse, we will also do the entire Parayanam once. So today we will keep it only for practicing the chanting. So I request all of you to raise your hands in the tool to chant and practice. Please do not hesitate because it's a learning opportunity for us. Let me just see. I'll call out the names. Okay, let me just go to last class. I think we did from 150 onwards. This time I'll go back to the verse 1, or rather we will start with the Dhyana Shloka. Jayanti Bhagini.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste. Can you start with the I think there is an echo. If you have dialed in from do devices, you will have an echo. So you have to mute one.
I'm just using the computer only.
Okay.
Can you hear me? Can you hear?
What I'll do is, as of now, I will mute you because there is some echo and disturbance. I will call your name again.
Okay.
Harini Bhagini. Harini, you are on mute. Yes. Can you chant the Dhyanam? Harini, I'm not able to hear you. Okay, I'll move to the next person. Venkateshwaran Gopala Mahodaya.
Namaskaram, madam.
Namaskaram. Can you please chant the Dhyanam?
Sinduraruna vigraham trinayanam manikya maulisfurat tara nayaka shekaram smitamupi mapina vaksho ruham manibhyamali purnaratna chashakam rattotpalam bibratim saumyam ratna ghatastha rakta charanam dhyayet paramambikam.
Paramambikam.
Paramambikam Yayet Paramambikam.
Mahodaya, I will teach once, you can repeat after me. You can observe where are the Mahapranas while I am teaching. You can repeat after I chant. Sinduraruna Vigraham.
Sinduraruna Vigraham. Sinduraruna Vigraham.
त्रिनयनाम्
त्रिनयनाम्
माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत्
माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत्
तारानायकशेखराम्
तारानायकशेखराम्
स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम्
स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम् स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम्
पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकम्
पाणिभ्याम् मलिपूर्णरत्नचषकम् पाणिभ्याम् मलिपूर्णरत्नचषकम्
रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम्
रक्तोत्पलम् बिभ्रतीम् रक्तोत्पलम् बिभ्रतीम्
सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणाम्
सौम्याम् रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणाम् सौम्याम् रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणाम्
ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्
ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम् ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्
Okay, धन्यवादाः महोदय. Just for the information and benefit of everyone, I think in the first session of Lalita Sahasranama, we had spoken about the pronunciation rules. So I'll just highlight one of it here, which is, see, for example, if there is a Mahapran, the Anuswara, for example, in this case, Vigraham, there is a Anuswara, and we have Trinayanam. So when we are chanting together, the last letter of that particular consonant, the Vyanjana Varga, in this case, Ta is there, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, Sinduraruna Vigrahan Trinayanam. Instead of sounding it as Vigraham Trinayanam, we can also chant it as Sinduraruna Vigrahan Trinayanam Nakara. Okay, this is one. Similarly, if there is a in this case, in the third line, okay, Raktotpalam Bibhratim. So here also there is an Anuswara, and in case of this Ba letter, it is from the Varga, that is Pa, 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 Ba, Bha, Ma. So the last letter of this Varga is Ma. So we will keep this as Ma only. Raktotpalam Bibhratim. Raktotpalam Bibhratim. Okay. And in the fourth line, Ratna Gathastha Ratta Charanam Dhyayet Paramambikam is there. Again here, Dha is there. So Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. So and Anuswara is also there. So we can chant this as Ratna Ghatastha Ratta Charanan Dhyayet Paramambikam. If we are chanting together. However, if you want to take a pause after this charana, because we want to take little bit breath or whatever, so we can chant, we can take a pause. Saumyam Ratna Ghatastha Ratta Charanam Dhyayet Paramambikam. If you are taking a pause after charanam. If we are chanting together, Saumyam Ratna Ghatastha Ratta Charanam Dhyayet Paramambikam. So there is a nakara here instead of Anuswara if we are chanting together. So just as a recap, I wanted to mention this. Those of you who have been new to the class and have missed those initial classes, I request you to once listen to the first audio of Lalita Sahasranama session 1. So you will be well versed with these pronunciation aspects before the assessment. Uma Bhagini.
अस्तु जी, नमस्ते।
नमस्ते।
ॐ श्रीमाता श्रीमहाराज्ञी श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूता देवकार्यसमुद्यता।
उत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः। शैलजा, शैलजा भगिनी।
Namaskaram, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
उद्यद्भानुसहस्राभा चतुर्बाहुसमन्विता रागस्वरूपपाषाढ्या क्रोधाकाराङ्कुशोज्ज्वला।
उत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः. So if we have time, I will again revisit, I'll call out your names again. CH Suresha Mahodaya, you are on self-mute. Suresha, it's a...
नमस्ते मैडम।
Namaste.
मनोरूपेक्षु कोदण्डा पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुणप्रभापूरमज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला।
Uttamam. The second line you can chant once after me. Nijaruna Prabhapura Brahmanda Mandala. Can you chant?
निजारुणप्रभापूरमज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला।
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
धन्यवाद।
RN Veena. Veena, you are on self-mute, Bhagini.
नमस्ते।
Namaste. Ha.
चम्पकाशोकपुन्नागसौगन्धिकलसत्कचा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कोटीरमण्डिता।
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Thank you.
Ambal Bhagini. Ambal Bhagini, you are on self-mute.
नमस्ते भगिनी।
Namaste.
अष्टमी चन्द्रविभ्राजदलिकस्थलशोभिता मुखचन्द्रकलङ्कापा मृगनाभविशेषका।
Bhagini,
Can
yes.
I say the second line again, please?
Yes, yes.
मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभा मृगनाभविशेषका।
Try once again.
अष्टमी चन्द्रविभ्राजदलिकस्थलशोभिता मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभा मृगनाभिविशेषका।
I'll chant the second line once. You can listen and chant. Mukhachandra kalankabha mruganabhivisheshaka.
मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभा मृगनाभिविशेषका।
Once again.
मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभा मृगनाभिविशेषका।
So in the second line, if you see, kha is a mahaprana, bha is a mahaprana. Again in this nabhi, bhi is a mahaprana. Those you need to put little more stress. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
धन्यवादः।
Suvarna Sudagoni.
नमस्कार मैम।
Namaskaram. Vadanasmara.
वदनस्मर माङ्गल्य गृहतोरण चिल्लिका वक्त्रलक्ष्मी परिवाह चलन्मीनाभलोचना।
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Suvarna Bhagini. Radha Bhagini.
नमस्ते मैडम।
Namaste.
नवचंपक पुष्पाभ नासातंड विराजिता तारा कांति तिरस्कार कारिनासाभरणभासुरा।
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः भगिनी। कृष्णनारायण,
Namaskaram.
नमस्कारं।
This is the first time I'm coming to the online webinar. I was only listening to the recorded so far. So bear with me if I make any mistake.
We are happy that you have joined the live webinar. Thank you. Yeah, you can chant.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Kadamba manjari klupta karnapura manohara tadanga yugali bhuta tabanodupa
It is correct, except that sometimes I keep telling in the class, due to our regional language influence, sometimes some letters will be sounding differently. So here tatanka tatanka yugali bhuta tapanodupamandala. Can you try?
Yes. Tatanga yugali bhuta tapanodupamandala.
Uttamam. Do you want to chant one more, Bhagini? Because this is the first time.
Yes. Padmaragashila paribhavika bhuhu navavidruma bimba srinyakari radanachada.
Tamam. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Thank you very much.
Let me call out the next name. Gurumurthy Mahodaya.
Namaskaram, ma'am.
Namaskaram.
Shuddha Vidyankurakara Dvija Pankti Dvayojvala Karpura Viti Kamoda Samakarshidikantara.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha, Mahodaya. V. Raman S. Venkat. You are on self-mute.
Namaskaram, ma'am.
Namaskaram. Can you try this? Nija Sallapa.
Nija Sallaba Madhurya Vinirparchita Kachapi Mandasmita Prabhapura Majjat Kami Samanasa.
Once I will teach, you can try repeating after me. Carefully watch the Mahapranakshara. Nija Sallapa Madhurya Vinirbharsita Kachapi Mandasmita Prabhapura Majjat Kamesha Manasa.
Nija Sallapa Madhurya Vinirparchita Kachapi Mandasmita Prabhapura Majjat Kamesha Manasa.
Uttamam. The second line alone, okay? Mandasmita Prabhapura Majjat Kamesha Manasa.
Mandasmita Prabhapura Majjat Kamesha Manasa.
So, Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Harini. Harini, you are on self-mute. Can you chant this? Anakalita Sadrishya. Harini, we are still not able to hear you. You may want to log out and log in, Harini, because I saw your message, but we are not able to hear you. You're not audible. There was a question. How is it? There is a anuswara here on this on the top of sa, if you see. So we pronounce this, instead of telling Nija Sallapa, we say there is an anuswara, it has to be sounded. So Nija Sallapa Madhurya. This is how we pronounce this. Next person. V. Raman, I think I finished. Geetanjali Bhagini. Can you chant this? Geetanjali Bhagini. I'm not able to hear you too. Is it, am I audible? Can one couple of you respond to me whether I am audible? Because I'm not able to hear Geetanjali Bhagini's
Ma'am,
also.
you're audible. Ma'am,
Okay,
you're
thank
audible.
you. Thank you. Geetanjali Bhagini, we are not able to hear you. I will put you on mute. Priyashri? Priyashri? Namaste. Can you chant this Anakalita?
अनाकलित सादृश्य चिबुकश्रीविराजिता कामेशबद्धमाङ्गल्य सूत्रशोभितकङ्करा.
Uttamam, two corrections. In the first line, Anakalita Sadrishya Chibukashri, there is a Dirgha here. So, Anakalita Sadrishya Chibukashri Virajita. So, the Dirgha should be heard properly. Then in this, Kamesha Baddha Mangalya Sutra Shobhita Kandhara. So we should not take a pause anywhere in both the names actually. In between, we should not take a pause because both are like this entire, the first line is one name, second line is one name. So when we're chanting, we should not break the name. It will not be with proper meaning then. So these are the corrections, okay?
Shall I
Do you
tell it,
want to
ma'am?
try again? Yes, please.
Yeah. अनाकलित सादृश्य चिबुकश्रीविराजिता कामेशबद्धमाङ्गल्य सूत्रशोभितकन्धरा. This is the
Uttamam,
first
just
time.
Oh, okay. So after this Mangalya, don't give a pause. So Kamesha Baddha Mangalya Sutra Show, it has to be continuous. Don't give a pause after. Okay.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Panchanadam Swaminathan.
Oh, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. कनकाङ्गदकेयूरकमनीय बुधान्विता रत्नधैर्येय चिन्ता कललोलमुक्तकलान्विता. Let me repeat once more.
Yes.
कनकाङ्गदकेयूरकमनीय बुधान्विता रत्नधैर्येय चिन्ता कललोलमुक्तकलान्विता.
Second line I will teach you once, Mahodaya. You can repeat after I do. Ratnagraiveya chinta kalola mukta phalanvita.
Ratnagraiveya chinta kalola mukta phalanvita.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Bhavani, yes? Yes, Bhavani.
Yes, madam.
Kameshwara Premaratna.
कामेश्वर प्रेम रत्न मणि प्रतिपणस्तनी नाभ्यालवाल रोमाली लता फलकुचद्वयी.
Can you chant the second line again, Bhagini?
नाभ्यालवाल रोमाली लता फलकुचद्वयी.
This is correct. After this Romali, take continuously. Nabhyalavala Romali Lata Phalakuchadvayi.
नाभ्यालवाल रोमाली लता फलकुचद्वयी. I didn't take a pause, ma'am.
It sounded like after this you took a pause. Now it was second time, it was good. It was correct.
Oh, dhanyawad.
Dhanyavadaha. Jaya Ravi. Jaya Ravi, Bhagini, you're there? Not able to hear you. Okay, I'll put you on mute. Chitra Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste. Lakshya Room.
Lakshya. ओके लक्ष्य रोमालता धारता सुमन्नेय मध्यमा स्तन भारत तलन्मध्य पट्टबन्धवलित्रया.
Second line was perfect, Bhagini. First line, do you want to chant again?
Yeah. लक्ष्य रोमालता धारता सुमन्नेय मध्यमा.
I will teach this line. Lakshya romalata dharata samunneya madhyama. So it is not romalata, it is romalata one. Then it is not sumanneya, it is samunneya. Can you chant again?
Okay. I made a mistake. Okay. I corrected myself. Kshamitam Bhagini. Lakshya romalata dharata samanneya madhyama. Is it okay?
I will teach. No, I'll teach again. Lakshya Roma is not there. Lakshya Romalata. It's a ma, that's all.
Okay.
Lakshya Romalata. Okay. Then
Okay.
here Samunneya. Samunneya.
Okay.
It's Samunneya. Lakshya Roma. Yes, yes. Try, please try.
लक्ष्य रोमलता धारता समुन्नेय मध्यमा.
Correct.
Is it okay?
Yes, perfect. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Thank you, Bhagini.
Janhavi Satish over. Okay. Kshamyatam. Veena Kandikori. Veena, Bhagini.
Namaste, Namaste, madam.
Aruna.
अरुणारुण कौसुम्ब वस्त्र भास्वत्कटी तटी रत्न किंकिनिकारम्य रशनाधामभूषिता.
In the second line, Veena Bhagini, Rashana Damada is a Alpa Prana, Bha is a Mahaprana. Rashana Dama Bhushita. Can you try second line?
रत्न किंकिनिकारम्य रशनाधामभूषिता.
Rashanadama Bhushita.
Rashanadhamabhushita.
So these two letters you have to carefully observe. Rashanadama Bhushita. Dama.
Rashanadhamabhushita.
Bhushita. Bha Mahaprana. Bhu.
Rashanadhamabhushita.
Yes. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Arti. Arti Bhagini.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram. Kamesha Gnata.
कामेश ज्ञाद सौभाग्य मार्दवोरुद्वयान्विता माणिक्य मुकुटाकार जानुद्वय विराजिता.
Manikya. This is na. Manikya.
माणिक्य मुकुटाकार जानुद्वय विराजिता. I think I made a mistake. It's Janud is not Mahaprana. So
no.
Janudvaya Virajita.
Can you chant the second line again, Bhagini? It's Manikya Mukutakara Janudvaya Virajita. Can you chant?
I think Ka also I said as Mahaprana. So Manikya Mukutakara Janudvaya Virajita.
Only it was correct. Only one small thing is this Manikya in this na is sounding little bit like na. It is not na, it is na. Ta tha da dha na. Manikya. Okay.
Okay. Manikya Makutakara Janudvaya Virajita.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Bhamini Rajagopalan.
Ram madam.
Ram.
Indra Gopa Parikshipta Smaratuna Bhajangika गूढकुल्पा कूर्मपृष्ठजयिष्णुप्रभदान्विता.
Second line, can you chant again, Bhagini?
Yes. गूढकुल्पा कूर्मपृष्ठजयिष्णुप्रभदान्विता.
प्रपदान्विता.
प्रपदान्विता.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादः.
भगिनी. आशा भगिनी, you're on self mute. Asha Bhagini. Okay, I'll move to the next person. Jhannavi Satish. Ram.
नखदीधिति सञ्छन्ननमज्जनतमो गुणा पदद्वय प्रभाजाल पराकृत सरोरुहा.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादाः. अनसूया केवी. Anasuya Bhagini, you're on self mute. Okay, I'll go to the next person. Lata Bhagini. Lata Bhagini. Okay. Lavanya. हाँ.
नमस्कारः महोदय.
नमस्कारं.
चिञ्जानमणिमञ्जीरमण्डितश्रीपदाम्बुजा मरालीमन्दगमना महालावण्यसेवदिः.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादाः लावण्या भगिनी. मीना रामन. Sorry, I have unmuted you now. Sarvaruna. Namaste.
सर्वारुणानवत्यांकी सर्वाभरणभूषिता शिवकामेश्वराङ्गस्ता शिवा स्वाधीनवल्लभा.
Uttamam Meena Bhagini. You are putting stress for Mahaprana Aksharas, but what I request you is to put little more stress. Sarvabharana Bhushita Shiva Kameshwarankastha Shiva Swadhina Vallabha. More stress.
Okay.
Do you want to try?
Yeah, I will chant one more time.
Yes, please.
सर्वारुणानवत्यांकी सर्वाभरणभूषिता शिवकामेश्वराङ्गस्ता शिवा स्वाधीनवल्लभा.
What I request you to do is, Bhagini, you can listen to one of the recordings and observe Mahapranas and put little more than what you are chanting. Bha. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ta, tha, da, tha, like that. Okay. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Padma Bhagini, Padma Narayan.
सुमेरुमध्य शृङ्गस्था श्रीमन्नगरनायिका चिन्तामणिगृहान्तस्था पञ्चब्रह्मासनस्थिता.
Panchabrahmasanasthita. Ba is a Panchabrahma. In this, Ba is a Alpa Prana, Tha is a Mahaprana. Can you?
Panchabrahmasanasthita.
Dhanyavadaha Padma Bhagini. Priya Krishnan.
नमस्ते भगिनी.
नमस्ते.
श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते, सम्यक् श्रूयते.
महापद्माटवी संस्था कदम्बवनवासिनी सुधा सागर मध्यस्था कामाक्षी कामदायिनी.
उत्तमम्. धन्यवादाः. संस्कृतं सुन्दरं. देवर्षि.
नमस्ते महोदय.
नमस्ते.
देवर्षिगणसङ्गातस्तूयमानात्मवैभवा भण्डासुरवधोद्युक्तशक्तिसेना समन्विता. Two mistakes, I know.
Yeah.
I could do it again. The time
Yeah,
is
please.
permit.
Yes, you can try.
देवर्षिगणसङ्घातस्तूयमानात्मवैभवा भण्डासुरवधोद्युक्तशक्तिसेना समन्विता. Is it okay?
Uttamam. Yes, yes. Dhanyavadah. Sita Shankar.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible? Namo Namaha. Namaste. Sampatkari Samarudha Sindhura Vrajaseevita Ashwarudha Dishtitanga Ashwarudha Dishtitashva Koti Koti Bhiravrata. Sampatkari Samarudha Sindhura Vrajaseevita Ashwarudha Dishtitanga Koti Koti Bhiravrata.
The second line, Bhagini, I will teach you. You can repeat after me. Ashwarudha Dishtitashva Koti Koti Bhiravrata.
Ashwarudha Dishtitang. Mahaprana. Ta is Mahaprana.
No, Ta is not Mahaprana. See, Ashwarudha. Hold on 1 minute. I will tell you which are the Mahapranas. Ashwaru, here till here Alpa Prana. Dha, Dhi, here in this Shthi, Tha is a Mahaprana. Ta is not a Mahaprana. Here it is Shwa. The letter is Shwa. Ashwa. So Ashwarudha Dhishtitashva Koti Koti Bhiravruta. Bhi is a Mahaprana. Okay. Do you want to try again?
Yes, ma'am. Ashwarudha Dishtitashva Koti Koti Bhiravrata. Sampatkari Samarudha Sindhura Vrajasevita Ashwarudha Dishtitashva Koti Koti Bhiravrata.
Uttamam. So what you can also do is you can listen to one of the recordings and practice upon the Mahapranaksharas. Dhanyavada, Sita Bhagini. Subramanian Mahodaya. Subramanian Mahodaya, you are on mute, I guess. Okay, I think he's on mute. Venkata Subramanian Narsimhan.
Ram madam. Chakraratharudha sarvayudha parishkrita geya chakraratharudha mantrini parisevita.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Vijay Lakshmi Parthasarathi.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Yeah. किरीचक्ररथारूढदण्डनाथा पुरस्कृता ज्वालामालिनिकाक्षिप्तवह्निप्राकारमध्यगा.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादाः भगिनी.
Thank you.
युवेदा.
राम राम.
राम.
बण्डसैन्यवधोद्युक्तशक्तिविक्रमहर्षिता नित्या पराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षणसमुत्सुका.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादाः युवेदा.
Thank you.
विपिन महोदय. You are on self mute.
नमस्कारं भगिनी.
नमस्कारं.
भण्डपुत्रवधोद्युक्तबाला क्रमनन्दिता मन्त्रिण्यम्बा विरचित विशङ्कवथतोषिता।
उत्तम महोदय, धन्यवादाः। BN मीना।
नमस्कारः।
नमस्कारं।
विशुक्रप्राणहरणवाराही वीर्यनन्दिता कामेश्वरमुखालोककल्पितश्रीगणेश्वरा।
उत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः।
धन्यवादः।
Subramanian, yes Mahodaya, you are still on cell.
Namaskaram madam.
Namaskaram. Mahaganesha Nirbhinna.
Mahaganesha Nirbhinna Vigna Yandra Praharshita Bhanda Surendra Nirmukta Shastra Pratyastra Varshini.
So first line Bhagini, just listen to this gha pronunciation. It is Mahaprana. Mahaganesha Nirbhinna Vigna Yantra Praharshita. Can you chant?
Let me chant once more, madam. Let me chant once more, madam.
Yes, please. Yes, yes, yes.
Mahaganesha Nirbhinna Vigna Yandra Praharshita Banda Surendra Nirmukta Shastra Pratyastra Varshini.
Bhanda Surendra Nirmukta Shastra Pratyastra Varshini.
Bhanda Surendra Nirmukta Shastra Pratyastra Varshini. Is it correct,
Dhanyavad. Yes. Dhanyavad. Only thing is this bha, you should have it as a Mahaprana. Remember, this is a Mahaprana. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Jayanti Bhagini.
Namaste, madam. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Karangulinakhotpanna Narayana Dashakritihi Mahapadastragni Nirdagdha Surasainika.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Thank you, madam.
Venkateshwaran Gopala, I don't know if I called out the name Mahodaya, still I will call out again. Kameshwarastra.
कामेश्वरास्त्र निर्दग्धः सबण्डा सुरशून्यका ब्रह्मोपेन्द्र महेन्द्रादि देव संस्तुत वैभवा.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Harini, we will try once last time if we can hear you in today's class. Harini, you are on self-mute. Okay.
Ma'am, now you can hear me?
Yes, yes.
Haranetragni santatta kama sanjeevanaushadhihi Srimadvadbhava kutaika swarupa mukha pankaja.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Harini. Before I close the class today, I see that there are some questions. Let me just look at it. So some of you have asked the Google form. Yes, 12th was the last date. If it is still accepting the register, it looks like you can still register. You can go ahead and register on the same form if you have not done still, and if you are interested to do. Meanwhile, you can also just after you register, just put a mail to me. Those of you who are registering today or after today, that is tomorrow. If once registering, you just put a mail to me, so I will check if your name is appearing in the list or not, because the last date was yesterday. So apart from that, let me see if there are any other questions. The dates for the test is yet to be announced. There will be time for that for you to practice also. And if there are many people, obviously we cannot do the entire assessment on the same day. So it will be on different days, and we will communicate to you in advance on when it will be scheduled. So please go ahead and register. So there will be sufficient time to prepare also, and we will let you know the dates in advance. So based on the number of registrations, we will be deciding on the dates. So it will be most probably after 24th of October only, the test will be scheduled. Anything else I need to answer? If you have submitted your registration before 12, that is before, as on yesterday or before yesterday, in that case, no need to write a mail to me. So anyway, it will be appearing. Only those who have not registered and are going to register now, you can send a mail to me after registering. Panchanadam Mahodaya, are you still there? Panchanadam Mahodaya, you can register once, Mahodaya, because your name will automatically be get added to the this thing. So the only thing is, by sending a mail, I'll just ensure that it is already there in the list. So if you can register on the Google form.
But I didn't get the email with the
you
Google
didn't
form.
get that. Okay. Will you please, you know my mail ID? Can you? Okay, I think I have your mail. So I will send out the form to you separately. You can register.
Yeah, appreciate that. Thank you. Dhanyawad.
Yes. Regarding there is a question regarding the raga. Usually, if you look at any Sahasranama, Lalita Sahasranama, generally this is the raga which is used. That is because all the pronunciations can be very clear in this raga. However, you can use a different raga. If somebody, you're not used to this and you want to chant in a different raga, yes. But ensure that that raga doesn't impact the pronunciation. For example, Shri Mata, Shri Maharagni, Shrimat, like, you should not pause because you want to add a raga. Do not change the pronunciation. So as far as possible, stick to the pronunciation and the same raga. So you will not be asked to chant the entire Sahasranama in the test. It will only be few shlokas, maybe 5 or 10 shlokas, but from any part of the text you will be asked to pronounce. So it can be this, the examiner, the guru on that day can ask you to pronounce from maybe Hara Netragni Sandagda or from Avyaja Karuna Murti. So it can be from any part of the test. If it is a Parayanam, that is, you're seeing the script and reading, they will tell you the shloka name. If it is a Smaranam, obviously you will know, so you will continue chanting from where they have asked. Rajneesh Chauhan Mahodaya, if you can send me a mail, I can actually send out the registration form to you. My mail ID is given below. You can see sandhya.vyoma@gmail.com on the slide. Sandhya.vyoma@gmail.com. You can mail me. So I will send out the form again to you. Panchanadam Swaminathan Mahodaya, I think I have your email ID. You have mailed me, is it, in the past?
Yes, I mailed it last week.
Okay, then I will. Okay, then I will send out the mail to you. I will send out the mail to you. So like I said, it is not the entire Sahasranamam will be asked to chant. Though you would have been prepared for the entire Sahasranama, you will be asked only specific portions from the test. So time and date will be announced little later. So even if you are only listening to the recordings and not attending the live webinar, then also you can register for the test. Yes, the video camera is essential for the test. You should have a video camera in your device which you will log in. Definitely we will keep you all informed. There is a question on we want to get included in the next class. So since you are already registered in Vyoma for any new courses, we will be getting the information. So please do not worry about it. So we'll close any other questions, please feel free to write to me on the email ID given. We will close with the Mangalam now. सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके देवी नारायणि नमोस्तुते. Namaste. Dhanyavadaha to all the participants. Look forward to see you in the next class. Please write to me for any queries or for the form also. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Ram,
I've
Ram.
submitted my
Tell
form.
me.
Ma'am, I've
Who is
submitted my form.
okay? Who is this? Who's
Harini.
Janani? Harini, is it? Harini. Okay. Harini,
Yes,
if you have
ma'am.
submitted the form, your name will already be in the list. Don't worry. Okay.
Ma'am, thank you.
Ram, Ram, Ram.